Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the retractable dog collar from the company Flexi, F-L-E-X-I. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So give me a second here. Wow, it's really wrapped in some plastic. Kind of slid out of its container. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this. Made in Germany. Now, they have different sizes out here. The one that I've got is for small dogs. This is going to be up to 33 pounds, but they have various sizes that you can pick from. It is a 16-foot retractable leash. I'm just going to give you a quick look at the packaging. Because it is a leash, there's not a whole lot I'm going to be able to show you here, but nonetheless, you'll get an idea of what the product looks like. Wow, look here. This leash looks like it's been used. See this here? Looks like chew marks on the leash. Wow, that is crazy. So what I'm thinking is maybe somebody returned the product and the company said, "Oh, okay, we'll throw a new clip on the end." You've got a lock that locks it into place and an unlock. Product seems to be pretty smooth. I'm not real sure that it's made in Germany. That's a little bit surprising. Most of these products are made in China, but I'll say this seems to be fine, other than if you get it, keep an eye out and see if your end appears to be damaged like this one. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing and look at the Flexi retractable dog leash. I hope the video helped.